guys, welcome back to my online earning blog. That's I'm uh, making you available through this YouTube videos, right? So today I will show you one of the websites. Actually, that's not a website, but it's an application. It's an app through which you can lot of money. So it actually pays around $1 per minute of streaming. So it's actually a streaming app. You have to stream from your smartphone, and you can earn $1 per minute. Yes, that's right. It gives you, because it's in its real initial phase, so it's promoting its app, so it's giving you $1 per minute. So you'll earn $1 for every Google stream. Since this is a screenshot taken from the app itself, so you have it is hearts. So instead of points, you'll receive here hearts, and once you reach 200 hearts, you will able to redeem them for $10. So you'll get $10 for 200 yards. So it takes only 60 seconds. So you to record the video, so it's not much longer. So it's not that you have to record it for hours. So you can record 10 to 50 videos per day, just each having length of under 60 seconds, right? So you can stream anything, what's going on in your city or town, outside the window, where you work, play, eat, shop, hang out. So you just have to share a world, right? Okay. So how to create a good stream? So if you are creating good streams, then you'll earn good, I mean, more points. That means hearts, and you'll be able to redeem them early. So how do you do that? So you just have to enter location, organization, or school, describe your stream. What you're streaming, that's more important. So like, what are you doing? Where are you going? And where are you at now? So the best streamers have movement, street scenes, markets, vehicles, and events, and so on. So showing the people and faces and animals. You can show yourself. You can also hide yourself. So if you allow to hear your voice, then it'll be good. So things what you have to avoid: televisions, right? Computer screens, duplication to be avoided, right? Okay, so this is actually a screenshot of that app, right? So you can see this. It's a home screen app, right? Okay, so you have to just first download the application, then just you have to sign it up, right? Okay, so these are some of the screenshots. Now this is my user ID, so I have already streamed this video. I received 20 hearts, right? Only 58 people have watched it. Okay, so more people watch your stream, more chances that you get more hearts, right? Okay, so make your stream popular, right? So you begin hard, so every day for your stream, as you see in the below screenshot. So actually today, until now, this the horse received 4,035, right? Right, 60 remaining. I already redeemed these hearts, right, through my PayPal account. This is the PayPal email ID. You have to enter this. So, and the first one thing is that you have to verify your phone number. That's pretty easy, right? So, okay, after your hearts exceed that is of that of 200, you can redeem that, right? Okay, so these are the few the screenshots of the few of the people who have received most money. So Dana has received $274 until now. Okay, so this is great. Okay, and this is my ID. I received $207, right? I already streamed 345 streams, right? And more than 1 million people have viewed that. Okay, so this is the screenshot. This one is $226. Here 207. I have received around another $90, 244. Here you can see this. Okay, so so now I will show you the actual PayPal amount I have received, right? Okay, okay. So I will show you now actual emails that I received from this website or app that I received money through PayPal. So you can see this. This is the mail received on 2nd November 2020. I received 63.85 US dollar. Okay. Now this one is the another email I received on 2nd October. I received $11.32. Okay. another email that is on received on 16th September. I got $14.90. That's good amount. Okay. Then 2nd September. Okay. Next on 2nd September, received 11. Sorry, not 11. That's 21.32 US dollar. Okay. Next on 15th August. So we are actually doing reverse order. Okay, so that is $16.56. Okay. 2nd August, $23.86. Okay. 16th July 2020, $21.22. Okay. 3rd July, $17.74. This one. Okay. And that's a big one. On 17th June, I received $53.15. Okay. So that's a good amount. And on 2nd May 2020, I received 15.78 US dollar. On 21st March, I received 70.44 US dollar. On 11th March, I received $18.62. Now I will show the screenshot of a PayPal account. Okay, so this is the 2nd December 1717. $13. 2nd November 30.09. This is another 2nd November. I received 63.25 US dollars. That's also a big amount. I forgot to add that screenshot of email. It's okay, you can see it's here. Now another is 40.19, 11.32 US dollar. Okay, this one is also 14.6. So September, you can see there's September month versus 2 payments, November 2 payments, December, August. I got first there's 16.46 US dollar, $23.86. Second payment. Okay, so you can see this. I said more payments in July. I think you can see the 6th July, 7th July, 3rd July, 3rd July 2 payments. Great. 3rd July, right? Okay, so it's really pretty good amount of money. This one I was showing you in the email, 53.50 US dollar. Okay, so March, so received 31st March, $18.76. Another March payment, that's 10.78, 18.62, 12.74 US dollar. Oh, that's great. It's endless, right? 15th February. Yeah, we can see this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6 payments of around 10, more than $10. 7, 8 payments from February month. Great. And January, it's too long, right? There's all the January payments. You can see there's $14.75, 30.23, 21.27. February, this one, January, you can see this again, January, right? Right, so that's all. If you are interested in for this app, you can download this app from this link given in the description below. Thank you very much for seeing my video, and best of luck for your future earnings through online uh, that platform. Okay, so again, best of luck.